Hey, how y'all doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how to change the PCV valve on my 2006 F-150 4.2 liter V6. Alright, what you're gonna do is pop the hood. Everybody be trying to say that it's hard to find these jokers. So what you wanna do is pop the hood and you go to the passenger side. You're gonna follow behind this, go to the manifold, go behind the spark plugs. On behind that, you reach around, there's like a little hose that fits on top of the PCV valve. You can see it, it's kind of hard. I'm zoom in, bam. This little hose that goes on top. You just reach back there right behind the spark plugs box right there, and you're gonna click it right off, and then you're gonna turn it, and you come up with this. This is the PCV valve for the 2006 F-150 4.2 liter V6. Alright, and it comes with a little on the side of it. You just click it off. You can see it comes right on, comes right off right here, and it just gets right there. Alright, you got it. It looks like this. Mine's a little old, but hey, what you can do, this is the new one. Right next to it, there we go, bam. That's it. That was a little old. This is a new one. Alright, gonna get this one. Sorry, I don't have anybody to hold the phone for me, but I'm just trying to show. It was hard for me to find this, so I'm just gonna show the people what they want. Alright, you put it back on there. It clicks right in. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I want to drop the phone. I hope it. Go. Alright. Click. As you can see, it clicks right in. Then you're going to follow the manifold all the way back. Behind this, it goes back into the hole. Back into the hole. Sorry, taking so long. Then you see the hose it came off of. Right back on it. Bam. Lift for the click sound. Click. And just like that, you have fixed the PCV valve for your 2006 F-150 4.2 liter V6. As you can see, mine is still in good condition. All right, y'all hold it down. Have a good day. Bye.